On a cozy little farm, Lantern lives with his two sons. Measuring Tape works hard and follows every rule. Blender spins fast and dreams of faraway places. One morning, Blender zooms up to his father. "Papa, please give me my share of our savings now. I want to see the world." Lantern is quiet for a long moment. Then gently, he says yes. Blender hurries down the long road to a big glittering city. The lights, the music, the friends. He spends every coin on parties and fun and feels like the happiest tool in the world. But the coins run out. The friends disappear. A hard, hungry time comes to the land. Blender's jar is empty, and so is his tummy. Blender takes the only job he can find, feeding pigs in a muddy field. He is so hungry he even stares at the pigs' food. Quietly, his jar stops spinning. Then Blender remembers home, the warm kitchen, his father's glow. "I will go back," he whispers. "I will say I am sorry. Maybe Papa will let me work as a helper." And he begins the long walk home. While Blender is still far down the road, Lantern sees him. His amber glow grows bright and joyful. He does not wait, he runs. Lantern wraps Blender in a big warm hug. Blender starts to say, "Papa, I am so sorry." But Lantern just holds him tighter. His glow shines all around them both. "You are home," he whispers. "You are home." Lantern calls for a celebration. A warm meal, music, and lights all through the farmhouse. "My son was lost," he says, "and now he is found." But Measuring Tape stands outside the party. "I always stayed. I always helped. Why a party for him?" Lantern steps out into the cool evening. "My dear one," he says softly, "you are always with me, and everything I have is yours. But your brother was lost, and now he is home. We have to celebrate." Measuring Tape's tape slowly relaxes, and together they step inside.